everybody, Mr. Chris back with some more Math Summer Brain Gain for Harry Potter Week. First activity, we have a little cut and paste for your number activity, and that's going to be pretty fun. The next one's a little more complicated, just as we have one easy and one complicated most days. But this one's about the buses around Hogwarts. So it says, look carefully at the timetable below for the buses and the bus stops that run around Hogwarts. Answer the questions below from the information given. So we've got 8 questions here, and they are according to this time chart of the bus stops of Hogwarts. But first we're going to do our cut and paste activity here. So we've got 8 numbers here, and it's got 4, 6, 9, 1, 7, 3, 5, 2. And it's got some pictures of things from Harry Potter, such as a witch's hat, a broom, necklace, stars, things like that. And so we're going to cut and paste those onto the number based on the amount of things in the picture. So first we have 4, and looks like there's 4 right here. I can't really tell what that is, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. So first I'm just going to go ahead and cut off all these pictures like that. That way we have them. Cut them all out so we have those to cut and paste easier. That way we don't have to worry about doing that here in a minute. Okay, next. Alright. Now we've got all our pictures cut out so you can count the objects on them. So first we found the one that had 4. So you're going to take your glue and you're going to put some glue on the back of that. Put some glue on the back of that picture. And you're going to paste it to the one that says 4. Just like that. So now you're going to find the one, let's see, the next one is 6. So now we've got to find a picture that has 6 of something in it. And looks like this one right here is the one that has 6. And it's got Harry Potter's glasses here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we've got to glue that one. We've already cut it, so glued, cut, and paste. Next one is 9. So let's find something that has 9. And looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's going to be 9 stars here. Now you're going to glue your stars on the back, just like the rest of them. Paste it right there by the 9. Now we have 1. And looks like we have 1 witch's hat. So we're going to glue that one. 7 is next. And it looks like the brooms here, like they ride to play the games they play in Harry Potter, is 7 brooms. We're going to paste that one up here by 7. 3, there's Harry, Ron, and Hermione right there. Glue that one and paste it by 3. 3 people. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't remember what this is called, but this is the ball on the game they play on Harry Potter. I can't remember what the game's called, but that is what they play, is this. But there's 5 of those. And then 2 owls. That's our last number and our last picture, so they have to go together, and they do. So there's our first activity. Pretty fun activity for you guys to get some cutting and pasting done. Next we have our bus route one. So the first question says, how long does it take to get from Herbology to Stone Circle? And over here it'll have all these names. So like there's Herbology and there's Stone Circle, and it'll have bus A, bus B, and bus C. So it'll say, for example, Herbology says bus A leaves at 6:30, bus B leaves at 8:30, and bus C leaves at 10:30. And Stone Circle says bus A leaves at 7:35, bus B leaves at 9:35, and bus 11 leaves at bus C leaves at 11:35. So how long does it take to get from Herbology to Stone Circle? So what it's wanting to know is, for right here it says, so bus A leaves Herbology at 6:30, and it leaves Stone Circle at 7:35. So if we subtract those times, it must take 1 hour and 5 minutes to get from that place to the other place. So 1 hour and 5 minutes. How long does it take to get from Haggard's Hut to Stone Bridge? And you can find Haggard's Hut on here, right there, and Stone Bridge is here at the bottom. So Haggard's Hut, bus A leaves at 7:50, and then Stone Bridge, bus A leaves at 8:50. So it takes 1 hour to get from Haggard's Hut to Stone Bridge. So that's an example of those two. Let me go down to the bottom here. How many buses, this is number 7, how many buses stop at Viaduct? Or Viaduct, however you say that. And it says bus A, 8:35, and there's no bus B, and then bus C says 12:35. So there's 2 buses that stop at Viaduct. And we'll do one more with you. Number 6 says Ron needs to get on the bus at the Owlery. Why should he not get bus A? Okay, so it says Ron needs to get on the bus at the Owlery, so we find the Owlery. It says why should he not get bus C? So 7:30 is bus A, 9:30 is bus B, and there is no bus C. So that's why Ron should not get bus C, because there is no bus C at the Owlery. So there's a few examples of those. Pretty simple once you look at the worksheet and actually try to understand it a little bit. But if you guys do have any problems with that, get some help from your parents. They could help you out with that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Fun Friday of Harry Potter Week, and I hope you've had a great week. Bye, guys.